Sociology and common sense. Common sense is defined as the routine knowledge that people have their everyday word and activity. Common sense explanation are generally based on what may be called naturalistic and or individualistic explanation based on taken for granted knowledge. कॉमन सेंस ऐसे देखा जाता है कि हमारे समाज में जो लोग बोलते नहीं कि कॉमन सेंस की बातें हैं तो उसको कॉमन सेंस की तरह मान लिया जाता है सोशियोलॉजी में. Sociology has strategized with the common sense since long, and it has been accused by being no more than common sense right from its birth. The problem is not that common sense knowledge is necessarily false, but that is the examined, unreflected, and taken for granted. For this reason, the sociology is distinguished from common sense on various grounds. Common sense generally take cues from what happens on surface. Sociology, on other hand, look for the interconnection and not cause which may not be apparent. A sociologist work like a skeptic, and sociology as a science of organized skepticism, looking beyond what meets the eye. Explanation for religious and society by Durkheim are the best example of such sociology's outlook. Why religious is God created man, Durkheim said man created God. Religious, according to the Peter Burchell, the fascination of sociology lies in the fact that its perspective make us see in a new light that every word in which we have lied on our life. Sociology uses reasons and logic. Common sense use conjunction and stereotype belief. Common sense views are often based upon image that get reinforced through tradition. Sociological knowledge, on the other hand, challenge these tradition and stereotypes. While traditional social role of women is explained through the explanation, like biological factors, ritual sense, sociology affords us a different view that such role may have other bases like patriarchy. Further, sociology is not bound by a single perspective. Common sense is based upon assumption, while sociology is based upon evidence. Sociology knowledge is based upon through the research, and the resulting outcome may be contrary to common sense. Empirical testing has no place in common sense knowledge. While sociology research may have empirical orientation, common sense knowledge is often individualistic and naturalistic. Sociology knowledge is objective, common sense is institute. Common sense knowledge on the same subject may not be coherent also. For example, birds of a feather flock together and opposites attract or saying which convey opposite meaning. Sociological knowledge results into the generalization and even theory building. Common sense knowledge, on the other hand, may be very personal, and two persons may draw different conclusions from the same event based on their own common sense. Sociological knowledge is change oriented, while common sense promotes status quo. Common sense is reflective since it does not question its own origin, while sociological knowledge is subject to an unending debate and discourse. Sociology has a body of concept, method, and data and matter how loosely coordinate, but common sense is more or less based on the personal mismatch.